adventures. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose?
So we found the 12th floor. We've been on the ship for a few days already and we know how to get to our cabin. But this is the confusing maze we have to go through. 12th floor. Can you show them the sign?
Okay, do the Vanna White.
Now, silly me, I thought 12409 would be that way, but it's not. We didn't see that sign as we're heading down where we thought we were supposed to go. Now, let's have a walk down the hall. First of all, we know we are in the front of the ship, so we need to follow the fish on the floor.
The fish
how they're
all
swimming
swim forward.
But it's a long walk down this hall, so hopefully we're staying in focus. I think you can put it forward instead of on the floor, so we're not quite as seasick. Our voyage down the hall passes 2 accesses to the studio lounge, the studios and the studio lounge. So there are actually staterooms in there and they have access to the lounge. They don't have to come and see us on the outside at all. Hello.
Thank you.
Hi, we're good.
And as always, the cabin stewards are hard at it all day long.
Hi. Oh, and we're coming up to the second studio lounge. Studios and studio lounge access. And soon we come to our hidden access to our inside hallway there. And have we found 12409? Oh, our steward.
We have, and our room steward Wilbur is cleaning our room as we speak.
The room numbers are backlit, so they're easy to see. There's even braille underneath the number. And we can light from inside if we need the room to be made up, or if we don't want to be disturbed. We're redoing the footage of the cabin tour of 12409 because the first footage we took was really dark. I'm hoping I'm glowing now. They've put together our beds to make a nice sized queen size bed. Would you say that's the size it is, Darren? Queen size? Darren is the cameraman today. Nice little night table on either side of the bed. They've given us extra pillows as requested. As I explained in the last one, there's a night light for each of us. This controls the top light at the main. This controls the side lights and the night lights. So we each have control of the light. The next thing we have is a nice little stool so that we can work at the desk. It can double as a little table with a nice hard top. But we haven't been ordering any food to our room, so we don't need the tabletop. So we just leave it set along the wall. There's a hairdryer hidden under that desk nook as well. The desk nook has all kinds of plugins. There's 3 North American style plugins and 1 European style. So this is our plug-in block. It has a few American plug-in box and a couple of USB ports, but it has no surge protector. You're not allowed to bring surge protectors onto the ship. Nice mirror with lighting. Again, there's a switch to turn on and off the lights, and a shelf there. There's a good size fridge for a mini bar. We were given 4 bottles of water to start our voyage. And there's another door here to a good sized shelving unit underneath. I think Darren's going to give a look at. That actually has probably 3/4 of Darren's clothes still in the bags. There's a nice sized closet. Be careful because it can pinch your fingers. Tons of hangers. Good depth. There's a safe in here. You set your own code for the safe. We keep our valuables in the safe all the time when we're on the ship. If we're off the ship, we need to take our ID, and that's when we take it out. Otherwise, our valuables are in the safe. There's a nice big shelf up top, and it goes very deep both ways. My clothes are on most of the shelves. We've got our shoes outside of the closet because we have put our laundry in the closet. Our empty bags are stored under the bed. I think Darren is showing what nice art there is on the wall. Just overall a very pleasant room. Beautiful big screen TV, little bit of shelves for paperwork and such, and probably the remote can live there, but we leave the remote on the side table. Every ship we've been on shows the way that you can get to your lifeboat station, and your shortest route as an emergency exit tells you all kinds of information of how to be safe, the general emergency alarm, how you put on a life jacket, and what you could do to follow an evacuation order. It's good information because this room is pretty hard to find, so finding your way out might be really hard as well in an emergency situation. And now for the bathroom. As we go to the bathroom, you might notice we've got some hats hung on the hooks on the wall. Nice full-length mirror on the back of the door. Nice mirror across from the desk. Welcome to our washroom. 2 nice big hangers for robes or whatever. Please watch your step. Big sign, because there is always a step up into a bathroom on the ship. And we enter. Oh, Darren's worried about the light. Glass-walled shower. It's a really decent size. Hi everyone. got shampoo and body wash, and they've also provided some bar soap when Darren requested it. It has a water turn on or off, or the heat temperature selector for hot or cold. You want to make sure to check your temperature before you step in the shower. A nice bath mat rolled up there. Bath towels. There's hand towels and washcloths. The actual toilet is well placed. There's plenty of room. The toilet paper is kind of hidden underneath the shelves. The shelves are very roomy. We could put a lot more on them, but I don't like to have stuff in the moist environment of the bathroom. Shelves, shelves, shelves. Sink with good water, like hot and cold. Lots of glasses to use. Hand soap. A cupboard with a little garbage can. So just generally well appointed. I can't envision us having any issues living here for the 21 days that we're on this ship. That concludes our tour of 12409, and hopefully it's better lit this time.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.